Have you ever wondered how a small drone can spin its propellers so smoothly, or how an electric skateboard can move without the buzzing parts found in many old motors? Brushless motors solve this problem. A brushless motor is a machine that turns electricity into spinning motion. It is called brushless because it does not use carbon brushes to touch and feed electricity into the spinning part. Instead, it uses magnets and carefully timed electric pulses. This makes it quieter, cleaner, and longer lasting. To understand it, imagine a merry-go-round with invisible hands pushing it at exactly the right moments. The spinning part of the motor is called the rotor. The fixed part around it is called the stator. The rotor often has strong magnets attached to it. The stator has coils of wire, which are like loops that can become tiny magnets when electricity flows through them. When a control circuit sends electricity into one coil, that coil becomes a magnet. Then the next coil turns on, and then the next. The magnetic pulls keep changing, so the rotor is always being nudged forward. It is a little like a person running around behind a toy windmill, pushing each blade just as it arrives. The important secret is timing. If the electric pulses arrive too early or too late, the motor will not spin well. A small electronic controller watches the rotor's position and sends the current to the right coil at the right moment. This controller is often called an electronic speed controller, or ESC. Older brushed motors use brushes to slide electricity into the spinning part. Those brushes can wear out, make sparks, and create friction. Brushless motors avoid that by keeping the electricity control outside the spinning area. With fewer rubbing parts, they waste less energy as heat and usually last much longer. This is why brushless motors are common in drones, fans, electric tools, and many electric vehicles. They can spin fast, start smoothly, and work efficiently. In a brushless motor, electricity does not simply pour in all at once. It dances in a careful rhythm, and that rhythm makes the motor turn.